Are you ready to explore the exciting world of real estate investment? Welcome back to Improve Your Money, the channel that equips you with the knowledge to enhance your financial well-being. In this video, we're diving into the diverse avenues of real estate investment. Have you ever wondered about the potential of rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or even property flipping? Today, we'll provide valuable insights into these investment options, uncovering their benefits, risks, and strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor seeking to expand your portfolio or a beginner exploring the world of real estate, this video is your gateway to informed decision-making. Get ready to unlock the doors to wealth creation through real estate investment. Don't forget to subscribe to Improve Your Money for more eye-opening insights and practical tips on improving your financial well-being. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Investing in rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a highly rewarding and profitable venture, offering the opportunity for passive income and long-term wealth accumulation. Before diving into this exciting investment avenue, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis. Start by identifying locations with favorable market conditions and potential for growth. Consider factors such as job opportunities, population growth, and rental demand. Next, evaluate the cash flow potential of prospective rental properties. Take into account rental income, operating expenses, including maintenance, property taxes, and insurance, and potential vacancy rates. This analysis will help you determine the property's profitability and potential return on investment. To ensure success, thorough due diligence is essential. Assess the property's condition, potential repair or renovation costs, and any legal or regulatory considerations. Explore financing options and calculate the financing costs involved. It's important to have a clear understanding of your financial obligations and potential risks. Effective property management is vital for long-term success. Implement thorough tenant screening processes to attract reliable tenants and minimize risks. Regular maintenance and prompt responsiveness to tenant needs will help you maintain a positive relationship and preserve the value of your investment. By following these strategies and leveraging the power of rental properties, you can build a resilient and profitable real estate portfolio. Rental properties have the potential to generate steady income and appreciate in value over time, making them a valuable asset in your investment journey. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, provide individual investors with a convenient avenue to participate in real estate investing without the need for direct property ownership. These companies own, operate, or finance income-generating properties, offering investors the opportunity to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of real estate assets. When considering REIT investments, it's crucial to evaluate key factors. Look into the REIT's track record, analyzing its historical performance and stability. Assess the composition of its portfolio, considering the types of properties and geographical locations involved. Evaluate the management team's expertise and their ability to drive long-term success. Assess the risk-return profile of the REIT, considering factors such as dividend history and potential for capital appreciation. Understand the tax implications associated with REIT investments and consider the liquidity of your investment. By including REITs in your investment portfolio, you can enjoy the benefits of real estate ownership, such as rental income and potential property value appreciation, while benefiting from professional management and the liquidity offered by these investment vehicles. Property flipping, risks and rewards. Property flipping, or house flipping, involves purchasing properties with the intention of renovating and reselling them for a profit. While property flipping can be lucrative, it also carries risks. Before venturing into property flipping, conduct thorough market research to identify areas with high demand and potential for property value appreciation. Develop a solid understanding of the local real estate market, including property prices, renovation costs, and resale values. Create a detailed budget and timeline for the renovation process to ensure profitability. Successful property flipping requires effective project management, including hiring reliable contractors, overseeing renovations, and strategic marketing to attract potential buyers. Mitigate risks by conducting due diligence, accurately estimating renovation costs, and understanding local zoning and permit requirements. By following these strategies, you can navigate the world of property flipping and unlock the potential for significant profits. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing this informative journey into the world of real estate investment. By understanding the strategies and considerations associated with rental properties, REITs, and property flipping, you're equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions and unlock opportunities for wealth creation. Remember, real estate investment requires thorough research, due diligence, and effective management. Don't forget to subscribe to Improve Your Money for more valuable financial insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another exciting topic in personal finance. Your financial journey continues.